City, taking a look at this wrapper building that's been underway for quite a while. You can see it has this really gnarly exoskeleton steel structure that'll surround the building. Try to get a few different angles of this interesting structure. It's going to be 16 floors, and it's adjacent to the Metro Expo line. Where you can see here cars will come across here. Station is right nearby. You can see the Cumulus building here in the corner of La Cienega and Jefferson. I think that's about done, and then you got that other development next to it. And then the wrapper building, travel down Jefferson, and it's right over here.